We're going to do a quick cleaning on this hallway. Show you guys something. Get it a little wet. Now this is going to be something probably most of you never seen before, so a new little tool we got. Now we're real big into cleaning with the Dupre Neat, and we've had people ask us, should we get an Orc Orbiter because they cost more money than, you know, because they want to buy one of these, to pre-scrub, or you know, to clean dirty carpets, pre-clean before you clean, and we're like, get one of these, watch. If you got a dirty carpet, you run this thing up it. Now we have an Orc Orbiter, so we can put a black brush on it and do this quite quick. But if you're on a low budget and you have a Dupre Neat and you want to vapor steam carpets, and now if you've done a few of them, you know some of them are dirtier than others and harder to clean. Well, this is a tool you can get. These are about $100 at Home Depot. We don't sell these. We're just showing them. They're battery powered. They run on a 18-volt battery, but you can get one of these, and you can get your carpet scrubbed. And if there's any like stains or something in it, you can take stains out with this. This is unstained, so we're not going to show you that. But believe me, it'll lift a certain amount of dirt out. Then you can clean with your steam cleaner. See?
We're not going to show the steam.
No, we're not going to show that.
We have to turn it on, heat it up.
Y'all seen a steam clean?
Yeah,
this is just something you can do before you steam clean.
If you want.
Yeah, if you take the carpet and use a, you know, like a scrub down, or if it's got like obvious stains that you don't want to try to take out with a vapor steamer, this will do it. Now, it's not a super powerful tool, but it'll easily go through carpet easily. I mean, I'm not having any strain or anything to do this. It's real easy. It's actually fast. I'll go back to where I started, and then we'll have the carpet we'll have it scrubbed. But you just go over it like this. It's simple. Now this will, if you put a pre-spray down or whatever, a cleaning solution down, this will scrub it in and make sure it coats all the carpet fibers. That way you know it's not just sitting on the surface of the carpet, it's actually into our fiber. But this is just a little add-on. If you want to be on a budget, everybody don't have, you know, $5,000 or $10,000 to get into this with. So if you got a Dupre Neat, or if you got any kind of machine, even if it's just an extractor, and you want to look at this. It's that simple.
Go grab that other. Isn't there the other one up there on top of the shelf?
Get your battery out of here. No cord to wind. Yeah, there's another one.
And we got this one for like if you want to scrub the mattress.
Yeah,
you don't have to put that in if you don't want to.
Oh, I'll run it for a sec. Why not? Yeah, you can scrub a mattress, or you can scrub a chair if you're gonna clean like a piece of furniture.
Yeah, it'd be good for doing upholstery if you have this in a Neat.
Or if you want to walk around the house and there's a spot here, there's a spot here. You know, you just want to hit little individual like soda spots, coffee stills.
That might be good if you're doing like a vehicle interior or something a little bit.
Yeah.
Scrub the seats down a little. If you don't want to get a drill brush and you don't have
those drill brushes, this is soft. It's durable like a drill brush would be. There's nothing bad about it. These things are cheap. I don't know what we paid for this, but it wasn't much.
I think it was like maybe 60. I can't remember.
And that bigger tool.
Just go to HomeDepot.com and you can do a search.
The bigger tool, it was around $100. And
it's the 18 volt. It's the RYOBI 18 volt power scrubber, and they have the extendable version and they have the handheld.
Now, if you don't already own a battery and a charger, you're gonna have to pay extra money. This tool's probably $60, and this tool.
It's like 110.
Yeah, it don't come with a battery. It comes with this brush. Now we bought some extra brush. There's a black brush that you can use on tile.
That's even softer. Yeah.
No, the black brush is hard.
No, there's a. Okay, we bought it. There's a blue brush that's softer.
There's a blue brush we didn't get because this is fairly soft. It's for real delicate stuff. But
okay.
Yeah, but if you don't have a battery or a radio charger, you're going to have to purchase that stuff. So it'll cost you a little more.
And of course, you guys have seen the neat. Oh, and this is our newer one. We bought it in 21. The original one we have in 2018. We've been using it a lot lately, but we like to switch them in and out a lot. That way they're both ready to go. So. No,
we actually used this and did the tile floor.
Yeah.
We didn't get a video of it because.
But we're going to turn it back. We're going to reheat it, and then we're going to do these carpets real quick.
Yeah, just not we've done so many carpet
vaporize all that pre-spray he put down.
Yeah, it'll.
But anyway, that's all for this quick video, and we kind of had the day off today. Tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day, and we got done with our work early.
St. Patrick's Day, I can't wait.
Yeah, so we figured we'd do a little work around the house because the carpets get dirty once in a while. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.